Hello again, welcome to my channel. As you can see, it's springtime already. It's time, grass start to turn green now. The grass is turning green and it's time to get the lawnmower ready. So today I'm going to show you how to change oil on a Craftsman lawnmower. So I have a Craftsman right here. Craftsman lawnmower. This is my Craftsman. I own it for almost gonna be 6 years pretty soon, and it's I got the so the engine is a Briggs and Stratton Platinum engine series. So this is a 163cc the engine, and see, it says right here, just check and add, never change the oil. You don't have to change oil for this engine somehow, but as you can see, the oil is pretty dirty. Look at it, the oil pretty dirty, so I'm gonna change oil anyway. I'm gonna show you how to do that. If you do an oil change in your garage, just make sure you have like a piece of cardboard, a pair of gloves, a rag, and something to put the oil in. So I'm using like this is a paint tray, so just put it right there. And before you do anything else, first you should start the engine for about 3 to 5 minutes to loosen up the oil, the dirt inside the engine, loosen everything up before you pull it out. So for winter time, I usually empty the gas tank, so there's no gas in there. So I'm going to just put a little bit of gas. I don't want too much gas in there to the engine yet, because remember, when I tip over, I'm going to tip over the lawnmower to one side to get the oil out, so I don't want too much gas in the gas tank. So just a little bit of gas, just start so I can start up the lawnmower. And now it's time to drain the oil out. So okay, put the tray here, put your gloves on. You don't want your hand to get dirty. Okay, and take the dipstick out. Make sure you wipe everything off right from here, so that you don't want the dirt. Here, wipe it, the dipstick right here. Just wipe everything off the top right here. There's too much dirt here. You don't want dirt to go into the oil. And this part right here, around here too, just wipe everything off. Clean a little bit. And just tip it. So basically, so we come to this side right here, so you have more space to work with, and just tip it. The oil will come out. All right. That's it, and let it look at how black it is, very dark, because the oil is pretty dark. Try to get as much as possible out of the engine. So Okay, I think that's as much as we could get out of this the engine. I pull it up, that's it. And now let's talk about what kind of oil you should use for the Craftsman lawnmower. So the recommended oil would be the SAE 10W-30. So for any temperature above 32 degrees, for colder temperature, they recommend you use the SAE 5W-30. So for most people, you know, for spring and summertime, you would use the 10W-30. So this is the one that you would use right here at the top, the SAE 10W-30. So normally it would take about like 16 ounces of oil. Yeah, remember that even though you empty out the oil from the engine, there's still some oil left in there. So there's still some oil left in the engine. You cannot completely, you know, drain everything out. So there may be an ounce or two in there. So basically you need maybe around 14-15 ounces in there. That's it. So right here, they tell you right here that see, when you buy the engine oil, there's already a gauge right here. Tell you I tell you the whole bottle is 18 ounces. So you use about maybe like 14. So all right, now check it with your dipstick. Just check it. It should be between this mark right. There's two holes right here, so it should be between there. One more thing you should do too when you do an oil change on the lawnmower, make sure you change this to the air filter. I'm already ordered one. I don't have one right now, but it's a little dirty, but I already ordered one. So you make sure every time you do an oil change, also change an air filter. So right there, I'm gonna just clean it up a little bit. New one is on the way. Take a little bit of a piece of paper right here, clean around there, make sure there's no dirt, anything. It's really important to keep your engine tip-top shape. And that's it. And let's start it up. Let's see. So this is it. It's so easy to change oil in your lawnmower, and it doesn't take that long, 10 minutes. And you should do this every year to keep your lawnmower tip-top shape. I believe I purchased this in 2016. So yeah, it's actually 6 years old. So it still run pretty good. And just do this every year, and you wouldn't have any problem with your lawnmower. I usually do it around springtime. And also make sure that you recycle the oil. Don't just throw away in the trash. Put in a bottle and just recycle it. Take it to any auto shop. They take this thing. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something here. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.